Hi guys, Jessica Kabesi here. In today's video, we're in Tokyo, Japan, and in today's challenge, we're shooting pro versus
amateur.
Alright, so for today's challenge, we have model and photographer, Georgia. And you may recognize her from the 4 Photographers Challenge. She was actually the model in that video. And I saw her posting on her Instagram some photography that she did, like the edits and everything. And so I messaged her, I'm like, hey, are you doing photography now?
I didn't expect that at all, honestly. Like, I was kind of just like testing the waters. I sort of tried to, I thought maybe I'll pick it up for fun. And I feel like so many models end up becoming photographers anyway. So I was like, maybe that'll be me, but just starting, so.
I really want to showcase the different perspectives of photography, you know, from someone who's just starting out in photography that's interested in it versus someone who's a little bit more experienced that has been doing it for a little bit longer. So this is really just for fun. I want you to have fun with it. I want you to take whatever pictures you want. And we're gonna be starting off with Georgia's camera first. We're both gonna be using it, and then we're gonna be switching to my camera for each round. So we're both gonna be able to, I'm gonna be using your gear, you're gonna be using my gear.
Oh, it's gonna be so difficult.
So do you wanna talk about what gear you have?
So I have a Sony a6000, and to be honest, I don't even know that much about lenses. What do I have, Jess?
You have the 35 1.8, and I'm going to be using my 5D Mark IV with my 50 1.4 lens. So are you excited to start?
I'm really nervous, but I'm excited. Like, I know it's just for fun, so yeah, I think it's going to be a really good experience.
So we're going to be going over to the first location, and you're going to be going first.
Really?
Okay. Yeah. You're going to be awesome. Come on.
Yeah, no, okay. I'm really excited.
Yes, I'm excited too. Okay, let's head on over. Let's go.
Hey guys, so this is the first location. We are at a park, and I'm here with model Steffi.
Hi, I'm Steffi Horner, freelance model and entrepreneur here in Tokyo.
So I'm the first to go, and I'm really nervous because I've never tried directing a model before, but let's go. Let's get started. How do I direct people? Alright, maybe try sitting on the bench for now. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, or I'm already stuck and it's like the first minute. Okay. That's a lot. That's a lot. Maybe we'll go along here. My hands are shaking because I'm so nervous. It's so bright. I don't know how to like turn it down. Oh my god, so many great poses, but I can't take it right now. Jess! Jess! Oh,
sorry.
That's not the right help. I'm so nervous, I can't even. Can I have your help? Jess has come to the rescue. It's really bright, so how do I like turn that down? I'm currently using auto.
It's bright? Oh. So you might have to use manual, some manual settings.
Yeah.
So go to manual, like this.
Maybe like, yeah. Maybe
Yeah. Just touch, okay, like this?
Yeah, I think.
Try it.
Right. You ready, Steffi? Sorry, it took
Ready
so
for you,
long.
girl?
Thank you.
Georgia's been on auto settings, and I just switched it to manual, so as long as she stays in that spot, she'll be okay. If the sun comes out even more, I don't know, she might have a little bit of a difficulty, but so far she's doing a great job. Georgia's really getting a lot of dynamic poses. She's switching up locations, which is great. That's more than I could say for myself. I stay in the same spot, and all my pictures are the same. So, and that's the truth. Okay, so there's people that I don't know that are coming up here, so I'm gonna wrap this up and stop talking because I'm awkward. Okay, bye guys.
So that was pretty, like, it's supposed to be really fun, and it is really fun, but I couldn't help but get a little bit flustered at the start when I couldn't get my settings right. I was like, oh no, like, I had to ask Jess for help, and to be honest, I'm actually really glad that I did, because she was able to like assist me with that. That was probably the very first time I've ever had to like properly shoot a model like that, so it was really fun, and I'm like really excited to see Jess work.
Okay, Let's do one maybe sitting right here. The focus point, I don't know how to choose the focus point on here, so I just let's start by maybe like you can have your head right there. Lift your chin up a little. Great job. Good job. Relax your shoulders. Yeah, just really like you can even have your hand like right here.
So now I'm watching Jess shoot Steffi, and I feel like I've already learned a lot just by watching her. I feel like when I was shooting Steffi, I was really focused on the settings and not actually guiding the model. And what I've noticed from Jess is that she's just really relaxed. She's guiding the model, and I feel like they're working really well together. So I think I need to be a bit more relaxed and just enjoy it.
Ooh, it is humid out here. Whew. Let's go. Turn this way. Let me see. Yeah, right here. Don't move. Stay right there. Those are great. I hope these are in okay, they're in focus. I haven't changed the shutter speed in like 100 shots. Oh my god. Oh my god. The shutter speed was at like 100. Okay, if these are all blurry, it's okay. I didn't change the shutter speed. Okay, that's okay. Just change your settings before you start shooting, guys, on a new camera. Okay. I guess we'll find out later today how these turn. Okay. And then like pull this hair back towards What if I did the whole photo shoot like this? Would you judge me?
No.
Just like I'm never contacting Jessica again. I'm Arab, so I should be used to this, you know, because my ancestors came from the desert, but I'm not used to it. You can do something like this, like, I don't know, like, I don't know. Great, look at this, pro model. I probably should have fixed the settings before I started shooting. I think I got way too excited, and then I started shooting, and I'm like, the shutter speed is terrible. But it's just like Sum 41 says, I'm in too deep, so you just keep going. You keep going and you just sharpen it in Lightroom afterwards and just hope it's good, it's focused. And if it's not, then it will be after you sharpen it. It's a joke, guys, it's a joke. Now that you've done the first round, do you feel like, you know, next round you're gonna go in a little bit more comfortable?
Oh, 100%. Like I already feel a lot like calmer, and I think it's always the first round that's a little bit like daunting. So I was a little bit like, and especially going first, I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm getting into, but no, I'm excited.
You ready for the next one?
I think I'm ready for the next one.
We're gonna change Steffi's outfit and go to the next location. We'll see you guys there. I love cones, especially ice cream cones.
Ice cream cones.
See my son. Okay, so what you get the final say.
Oh, this is difficult. All right.
Seoul and Georgia.
So now there's like a whole bunch of people there. So
now they saw us here. The FedEx guy told them, and now they're all here. Do you want to go first?
Okay, I'll go first then. Yeah. Oh, but I'll be using your camera.
Yes,
you
will.
Gonna be...
And I'm putting you want to use auto or do you want manual settings?
What do I want? What should I do? Just advise me.
We will start you off on auto, and if you need any help with the settings, you just let me know.
Okay.
There you go. Have fun. See ya.
Oh my god.
So we're starting at our second location. It's a stairs. Wait, I can't even see.
Stairs.
It's a stairs. We're at the stairs. You can't go wrong with stairs. They're healthy. And they usually have escalators next to them, which I go up those instead of going up the stairs. All right, so one thing you're gonna have to deal with, which is what we deal with on a daily basis when photographing, is that people are gonna be walking in and out. There's gonna be crowds, probably people looking at you in this specific location. So how are you gonna deal with that?
It's gonna be challenging. I guess I'll just have to go with the flow. Again, I'm trying to learn from the last shoot, and that is just to relax and just, again, go with the flow.
Because there's already so many people already.
Yeah, again.
Okay, so go ahead. I'm gonna leave you to it.
Alright, wish me
You
luck.
got this. You got this.
Do it.
Okay. Oh, you can go ahead.
どうぞ。
Yeah, this is another thing. I think I'm just gonna like get so focused and I'll like forget to be like, oh, you can go through. There's another person coming. You guys deal with this like on a daily basis?
Every day.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I think as a model as well, I don't notice that. I kind of just leave it to the photographer.
Ignore everything.
Yeah. Why isn't it showing? Why can't I see through the viewfinder? This is so difficult. I haven't even started. Jess, help! Jess, help!
You're so cute.
What's up? You're using the, oh gosh, okay. Wait, let me see, hold on. You're good to go, good, you're good.
Fucking got it. I was like, it's okay, I've got this, and now I'm like, okay, no, I don't.
You got this.
Ooh, okay, I like your camera. Oh, this is so challenging. Okay,
You got this.
yeah, okay. Oh wow, it's like way too overexposed. How do I change this? Oh. Again. Oh, there's so many people. Oh my goodness. It's so easy to just like get distracted.
Wait.
I feel like I just like held everyone up. Oh my god.
There are so many people going up and down the stairs. It's giving me anxiety. I'm like, oh my god. Like, I think she's handling all the people, all the crowds very well. For me, I just tend to have tunnel vision. I don't even notice anyone. She skipped to like my 5th year of photography where she just ignores everybody around her.
So we just finished up, well I just finished up shooting Steffi with Jess's camera, and this is the first time I've ever tried using a different camera other than mine. So that was really challenging, and to be honest I just left it on the settings that Jess put it on for me. The alleyway was really narrow, so there wasn't many angles that I could do, but I tried my best. I tried to get like lower angles and like higher up angles, so I guess we'll see how it goes.
Hopefully the sun does not come out. If it comes out, it's gonna ruin everything. But knowing me, the sun's gonna come out right now. So. Like very like, just kind of like this.
Just like-
yeah. Looking here? You want to get, I'll just wait till everybody. Oh, you this one. Dozo?
Yeah, you just like go ahead.
Dozo? I'm learning Japanese right now. Dozo. See where the... Great. Put your chin up. Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Dozo? Dozo?
Yeah.
Zio Zio? It's like bozo, but dozo.
Exactly.
That's how you remember words. Bozo the clown. Dozo. I'm never gonna forget that. Looking here? Maybe give me one like that.
I struggled a lot with the passing people, just when I started to get the settings, well maybe not the settings, like once I started to get the hang of it and the angles right, the people was probably my biggest struggle. But after seeing Jess sort of handle that really well, she was really efficient, she didn't get distracted. After seeing that, I was like, oh wow, like it just makes me want to keep trying. So I learnt a lot from the second shoot as well, and I just feel like I'm continuously learning, so I'm really excited to shoot again, maybe next time, but this is the last of it, so I'm excited to see the results.
This was the last round. How did you do? Did you feel like you improved since the last round?
I feel like I did improve, but the second round came with more challenges, such as like the people walking through, and I wasn't sure how to like deal with that. And seeing you like deal with that so like effortlessly was really like inspiring. Like I want to keep trying. I want to keep doing it and getting better. So that was it was a good experience, and I'm so thankful that we have a model that was like so patient with me. Like I didn't know what I was doing half the time, especially with Jess's camera. I was like, how do I use all these settings? But it went really well, and you were there to help me as well. So I was really grateful for that. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for saying that what I do is effortless, because I feel like sometimes it's like the opposite. Like I said, there's like commotion going on in my brain, but at the same time, you just learn not to exert that.
I think the biggest thing that I learned was to just relax, just to not stress and go with the flow. Because I feel like when you overanalyze, it just makes things worse. So I learned a lot.
Did you feel like she was being stressed out? I saw you and I'm like, she's doing awesome.
Yeah, no. I mean, like, what you guys are saying right now, both of you, like, you guys seem so confident. You guys know what you're doing. You're like figuring things out. But I don't feel any anxiety. Like, it just feels natural. So like, I didn't feel any of it. So
I feel like we ourselves are our worst critics, and we think we're doing worse than what we actually are. Like,
That's right. I
you
feel
know,
like we're overcritical of our
we really overanalyze the things that we do, when in reality, other people see it and they're like, oh, she's like poised and cool, and
Yeah.
but on the inside, I'm like, I'm a troll, I'm a gremlin, and there's a line, and people hate me, but. But like in reality, it's nothing. Like nothing's happening. Nothing. So don't be too hard on yourself. And actually, like Georgia was telling me, you have an interest for photography. You want to keep doing photo shoots after this?
I definitely will. Like I feel like today really sparked my interest. Before I was like kind of interested, but now that I've gone out and I've had like a team with me to like help me with that, like I really want to keep trying now. So I'm really excited.
So let us know what pictures you guys like best, how you think we did. And I would love to thank Georgia for joining me today, and also Steffi for modeling. We're going to have all their links down below. And we want to thank, Ellie's here. Ellie, come jump in this video right now.
come on over.
Our helper and our cheerleader today. We want to thank Ellie. And we want to thank Akira behind the video for being here, just videotaping this, because without him we wouldn't have a video. So thank you. Leave your thoughts down below, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye from Japan, guys. Bye.